Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss how Airbnb makes money. A few days ago, Airbnb applied for IPO and made S1 form publicly available on Securities Exchange Commission website. This form provides insight into company's financial and operational data that was previously confidential. Company was incorporated in 2008 and has incurred net losses in each year since the inception. Only in one quarter of 2020, Airbnb generated net profit. That happened because of cost cutting and 1,800 employees was fired. For Airbnb, service fee is the main way how to generate revenue. There is host fee, guest fee. For every experience that booked on their website, 20% service fee applied. As of September 30, 2020, more than 4 million hosts had 7.4 million available listings of homes and experiences on Airbnb website. Airbnb listings available in approximately 100,000 cities across more than 220 countries and regions. For a company, everything was good until global pandemic started and travel restrictions was applied. Airbnb will be listed on Nasdaq under proposed symbol ABNP, and companies underwriters available on screen. That is Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, BNP Paribas, Deutsche Bank, Wells Fargo, and others. In total, 4 series of common stock will be available: Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class H, plus 10 million shares of preferred stock. Class A stock entitled to 1 vote per share, Class B stock entitled to 20 votes per share, Class C stock entitled to no votes, and Class H entitled to no votes too. In total will be 4 series of common stock available: Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class H, plus 10 million preferred stock shares. In total, 4,736 million shares of common stock will be available. Class A stock entitled to 1 vote, Class B stock entitled to 20 votes, Class C stock entitled to no votes, and Class H stock entitled to no votes. That who gonna own Class B stock will have super voting power. According to information mentioned on Crunchbase website, in total, Airbnb raised $6.4 billion. A few big investors, that is JP Morgan Chase, Capital G and TCV, Second Time Capital G and TCV, and Silver Lake. Now let's speak how Airbnb generates revenue. Most of the revenue comes from service fee. In 2019, Airbnb generated a gross booking value of $38 billion, out of which $5.3 billion was Airbnb's service fee. So that is the company revenue. During the 9 months ended on September 30, 2020, Airbnb generated a gross booking value of $18 billion. As more gross booking value, as more Airbnb service fees will be collected. Because of global pandemic, less number of people travel. That reflected on smaller number that generated as gross booking value. I've checked Airbnb properties in Goa, Paris, New York, Shanghai, New Zealand. I came across quite interesting numbers. I was checking everything in Indian rupees. This screenshot represents Goa listing. Base price 10,200 rupees plus service fee plus occupancy taxes and fees. On this screenshot, location in Paris, whereas service fee, cleaning fee, occupancy taxes and fees plus base price. First you're gonna see, okay, 8,700 rupees per night. That is a good price for Paris. Plus cleaning fee. Cleaning fee 5,200 rupees. That's ridiculous price. At least for me ridiculous, because I never in my life seen in my travel bill cleaning fee. Maybe because I stayed in range of hotels starting from dormitories to 5-star properties, but I never came across cleaning fee. I never expected that someone could charge cleaning fee that who is working on hospitality industry. For me, that is ridiculous. For hosts, that's extra income, because hosts try to generate as much revenue as they can, because from that gonna depend their income. On this screenshot, location in New York. Only base price plus taxes and fees. And this is so far the most interesting property that I came across. Property located in New Zealand, base price per night 9,242 rupees, which seems quite a good price, but service fee, and on top of that 10,167 rupees. That is cleaning fee. Isn't it ridiculous that cleaning fee higher than base price? When first time I've seen 9,242, I was considering, okay, that's a good price, but in total number comes 22,149 rupees per 1 day, and amount is non-refundable. It looks like host try to get as much revenue as it possible by any possible way. After I read S1 form, I wrote 2 blog posts about it. Now I understand that first I will not buy stock of it. I understand the stock may grow after listings, but I will just. If you like the stock, go ahead and buy. It's not an advice, it's just my opinion. For this amount of money, it's possible to rent good 5-star property, to live in someone's home and pay high charges. That is something what must be included in every room or every accommodation, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, check my blog post, link on which I'll keep in description below.